students, welcome to my YouTube channel PMM class. In previous video, I have discussed about LCM, three methods of LCM, that is least common multiple. Today I am going to discuss here the word problem related to LCM. To solve the word problem, we have to read the sum very carefully. Whenever we read the sum, we will get some words. These words are least, lowest, shortest, smallest, minimum, told together and lived together. Then we find out the LCM of the given word problem. Second point, whenever we will get leaves remainder along with one of these above words, we will find out the LCM of the word problem. Then to get the required number, we will be added the remainder to the LCM. So students, look at the points and listen to me. For word problems related to LCM, that is least common multiple. First point, whenever we read the sentence, the words will be given in the sum are minimum, shortest, lowest, least, smallest, told together, live together, etc. Second point, the word lives remainder along with one of these words, we will find out the LCM, and to get the required number, the remainder will be added to the LCM. Now let's take an example to understand these points. Example: find the smallest number which, when divided by 25, 40, 60 leaves remainder remainder 7 in each case. So according to the points, first find out LCM. LCM of 25, 40, 60. We'll generally find out LCM by common division method. 25, 40, 60. List prime number 2. 25 not divisible by 2 as it is. 40, 20 and 30. Next, divisible by 2 also. 25 as it is. 10, 15. Next, the numbers divisible by prime number 5. 5, 5, 5 2s, 5 3s. So, LCM of 25, 40, 60 equal to like this. 2 multiplied by 2 into 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 into 3. And multiplication is to be in such a way that number of zeros come more. 5, 5, 25, 2 2s 4 and 2 3 6 equal to 25 4 100 106 600. Next, the required number equal to 600 plus 7 equal to 607 according to the second rule. Now check it. Check. First number 25 607, 250 407. Next, number is 40 607, 41 40 0 2 7 5 207. Next number is 60 6 61 60 0 0 7. In each cases the remainder is 7. So students, go through the description box to get more example and to clear your concept. Thank you.